Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the Wi-Fi option. Once you find it, tap on it. Now make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, and once it is enabled, you can scroll down and you should see the list called Choose Networks, and on it you should see the list of networks that you can connect to. Find the network you want to connect to, and once you find it, tap on it. If it's protected by the password, you will need to enter the password, so give me a couple seconds. And once you enter the password, you can tap on the join button and the network should appear right here below the Wi-Fi button, which means that you're connected to it. And once you're connected to the network, you can always tap on it to see more info about it. You have private address, auto join, you can turn it on or off. You can also forget this network if you want to forget it. And basically that's how it is. You're connected to the network. You can also be connected to multiple networks, and if you lose connection to one, the watch will attempt to auto-connect to different one. Okay, and once you're done, press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.